This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this problem. This is the isometric view and this is the top view and this is the front view, cross-sectional front view, and this is the right side view. We will first start drawing from the top view. In the top view we can see a construction geometry circle of 94 diameter and an inner circle of 80 diameter, and we have some small circle which are 15 radius. Okay, let's get started. First of all, select the top plane, then select sketch, select circle, and first draw the outer construction circle 94 diameter. Now draw the inner circle. Inner circle is 80 diameter. Okay, let's construct geometry. Okay, let's draw the small circle that are 15 radius. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 small circle. Okay, again select circle and draw the circle 15 into 2, 30 diameter. We will use circular sketch pattern for other circle. Total circle 6, enter. Okay, now trim all the unnecessary part. Okay, now you can see we have got this shape and it is 20 unit extrude boss. Now go to features, extrude boss, and input 20 unit, then OK. In top of this we have another circle which is 40 diameter and which has extrude boss of 20. 40 minus 20, it means 20. Okay, let's draw that. Select the surface, sketch, then normal this surface, then select circle and 40 diameter circle. Now go to features, extrude boss, 40 minus 20 and 20 unit. Okay, now we can see there is a inner 10 diameter hole. We will draw this using the hole wizard. So first draw the construction geometry of that hole. Select circle and diameter is 10. Now construction geometry. Okay, then exit. Now go to hole wizard. Select hole, select 10 diameter, and we can see the hole is 25 unit depth. I have used the depth of 25. Now go to position, 3D sketch, and position the sketch. Okay, now tick mark. Okay, if we see the section view, we can see that our hole is created like this. Now we will draw this hole which is from front plane, 8 diameter. Let's go and select the front plane and sketch normal to it, and it is 8 diameter, and it is 30 unit from base. Now go to smart dimension, select the circle, select the origin and dimension it 30. Okay, now go to features and extrude cut in this direction. Okay, if we can check it from section view. Here is our shape. Okay, now we have 4 unit chamfer. Now go to chamfer, input unit 4, then select the edge, press OK. Then we can see we have another fillet of 5 radius and another fillet of 5 radius. Let's go, select fillet and give the unit 5 and select all the edges, this edge, this one, select all the edge. And now select this face, press OK. Okay, we have got our desired shape. This was the tutorial. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.